We had a customer come in for a misfire diagnosis, and it basically sounded like somebody was playing drums in her valve covers.
He fired it up in the shop, and both me and PJ immediately went,
I wish I had a GoPro on my head, because as I pulled into the shop, everybody just turned and was like, ugh, and the customer's like looking through the window. Except for Brian, who every 3.6 comes in the door, who's, dog needs lifters. And I'm like, no, it's a different tick. And like, when I came in, I literally pulled him out of the Jeep he was working on. I was like, that's cams in a 3.6.
Like,
and he goes, oh.
Even
I've still never heard it, and I hope I'll hear it at some point, because I've got one.
No.
Even I turned.
Yeah.
Like, I turned and knew exactly what that noise was.
The thing that blew my mind, though, was when she told us, she goes, it had been in 5 different shops, and everybody told her the noise was not related to her misfire.